Climate change is all significant change that remains for decades. It is the greatest environmental problem of all times that has been caused by human activity, such as deforestation, use of vehicles and industries, exploitation of natural resources, among others, causing melting glaciers and thus increasing sea level. In addition, greenhouse gases have increased, such as carbon dioxide, causing the rise in global temperature. We can know and predict the temperature in every month and year, this by following the principles of modeling with trigonometric functions. We've been assigned the year 1925 to study the behavior of the temperature within each month. So first, we have the scatter plot, which looks like this. To find the value of the symmetry axis, we know that it equals to d. d equals to 1/2 times the maximum value, 88.2, plus the minimum value, 43.4. Then d equals to 131.6 over 2, and d equals to 65.8. Our function ends up being y equals cosine of x plus 65.8. To find the phase shift, we do the next procedure, where c equals to the time of the maximum value, meaning that in this case, our c has a value of 8, and our function ends up being y equals 22.4 cosine of x minus 8 plus 65.8. To find the amplitude, we need to do the next procedure. First, we know that the amplitude equals to a. a equals to 1/2 times the maximum value, 88.2, minus the minimum value, 43.4. Then a equals to 44.8 over 2, which is 22.4. And our function ends up being y equals 22.4 cosine of x plus 65.8. To find b, we need to do the next procedure, where w equals to 2 times the maximum value 7 minus the minimum value 1, which is w equals to 2 times 6, resulting in 12. We know that 2 pi over w equals to period, then dividing 2 pi over 12 equals to b, which is pi over 6, resulting in 0.523, and then our function ends up being y equals 22.4 cosine of 0.53 times x minus 8 plus 65.8.